No, it's not been. Do you want to have some breakfast? What? I don't know, I'll have to phone up the North Pole. Yeah, yeah.
Come, Max, come, Max, come on. Come, Max, come here.
Hey, he did come. Yeah. Oh, that's Danielle's there in front of you. Hang on, wait. Go and get him, sir. He did come, yeah. Spoofed you. Can you hurry up, Si? Alright, yeah! Hang on. Alright, come on in. All open your big presents. Come on, Lils, hurry up. Just open it. Rip it all off. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Where's the brake?
On the front, on the handles.
There, look.
You got gears on yours, then, yeah?
This is red. Checking.
Yeah, well done.
RED.
Right, Lils, just put your bike down a minute. Max, wait a minute. Don't open any more up. Is that his or? Alright, opening up the rest. Is that good?
Yeah, I really like it.
It's good, isn't it? Got your own bikes.
You happy with your bike? You got that one. Come on, open your presents then. Oh, nice, Lils. Oh, yes, that's
Ah, love it.
yeah.
This is so cute.
Oh, no. Oh, Lils just got my dance.
Come on.
And then open more presents. More presents.
Oh, cool.
How good is that?
Right.
Oh, that's proper grown up, isn't it, that one?
Go then.
That's a good one, isn't it? Danielle? Try it on.
Oh, it's a hat.
I didn't like that.
Oh, nice.
Love it.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, nice. If you don't wear the helmet, you're not on your bikes, okay?
Yeah.
That's the wrong way round, though, isn't it?
Mine's
Yeah.
the wrong way round. I know it is.
No, yours is the right way round, though.
Max, look at
Is
it.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is the right way round.
Go on, Lils, hurry up, open yours.
It's got loads of pads in it so you can make it smaller.
I know.
Okay, so we'll leave that. We'll just do it in a minute. Go quick. More presents. More presents, Matt. Whose present is that?
That's mine.
Right, Max, open that up. Open your presents up.
Make sure that's his.
No, that's yours.
Oh, High School Musical.
That could be yours or Max's. Who's got one as well? I don't know who it is.
The open.
Oh no, don't take the label.